Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the amount of preview lines in the mail on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open mail, and as you can see now we do have from who we got the message, the topic of that message, and the two preview lines of this email. So if you want to change the amount of preview lines, or you don't want to have it at all, or you want to have, let's say, 5, what you want to do is to open settings, swipe down, tap on mail. Once you are here, go to the preview and the message list section, tap on that one. So if you click none, you're not going to get any preview of mail. You're only going to get, the sender and the topic of that email. And let's say I want to have 4 lines of the preview because this is the best for me. And now, as you can see, I'm going to get 4 lines of the email as a preview in the inbox section right here. Also, it is going to work in any other folders if you have created them, so keep that in mind. If you want to change it, this is how you can do it. Let's say now set, for example, 3 lines. Now we do have 3 lines of preview right now. So again, how to get to the setting: open settings, swipe down, tap on mail, swipe down, tap on preview, and select the amount of lines of preview of none if you don't want to have it right here. And once you have a tick, it means that it is set. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.